This is an unboxing video. So today I am gonna be unboxing this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. This is the creator combo. This is the camera I will be using in the future for my vlogs, and I just got it today, so I'm excited to open it. Okay, I'm just gonna open this with my scissors. Oh, that's tape. Take this off. Oh my god, this is actually, oh, I'm so excited. I've never unboxed, like, I never unboxed myself and recorded it, so this is a first for me. I mean, there's a first for everything, I guess, for anyone, depending on your situation. Here, I'm taking off the plastic. This is what it looks like without the plastic. So here are the things included. We have the actual camera, the Type-C PD cable, the protective cover, the carrying bag. We have the mic transmitter. We have the clip magnet so we can attach it to the microphone. Then we have the handle. We have a windscreen protector. You can put it for the microphone so it blocks out the wind noises if you're outside or anything like that. You have the battery, the wide lens, the wrist strap, and then the tripod. So let's open the actual box. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. So this is the case, I'm assuming. Let me put these away. Rubbish. Oops! That didn't happen. I think this is the starting guide. Let's see. Yeah, instructions. I'll look at that later. And then oh, this is the protective case for the camera. Yeah, put these away. There's more stuff in the box. Okay, that's everything. I think this is a sticker. The DJI sticker. Oh, this is the guidelines. Yeah. I'm gonna check. Oh, that's actually pretty big. Yeah. It has all these different languages, so yeah, I'll check that on a second. What is this? It's also in multiple languages as well. Let's see, where's English? Ah, that's the warranty. Oh, okay. So that's what's in the box. I'll put this over here. There's this thing. Oh, this is for the app. So I'm gonna scan that in a second. Let me open this. Ooh. Whoa. This is the case to put the camera in. And there's words inside. This is where you can put the wide lens. It's actually, ooh, feels nice actually. It's like a rubber texture. It's like what you feel like in a car, you know? Yeah, this is what it is. Yeah. Now let's open the actual thing itself. I'm so excited. So let's open this. And here it is. Oh. The tag thing? Yeah, this is just, so this is the entire case. Open it. That's what's inside. Oh my god. Hey, let's see. Let's do the small one first. This is the microphone. It's so tiny. It's so cute. You're like, hi. So that's the microphone. This is the magnetic lens for the wide view. I'm not gonna open that yet. I don't want to lose that. What is this? Oh, I think this is the for the shield for the microphone to block out the wind. Yeah, it's fluffy. And then there's a hole at the top here, and you can attach this on top. Wait. Yep, it clicked on, and then it's a microphone. Hi. I'm excited to use that. This is the cable. Oh no, this is the hand for your wrist. You can hold it onto your wrist. This, I believe this is the battery, so you can attach it on the actual camera at the bottom here, so extra battery life. Then I believe this is the tripod. You can extend it and then plot it onto any kind of flat surface. So yeah, and then this one is the extension you can add for more space. But I feel like this one, oh no, I feel like the battery could be better because it's longer. You can hold it like this. Well, this one is tiny, but I think that'll be pretty good each. This is the cable thing to charge it. And let's get the actual camera out. Ta-da! Oh my god. It's actually small because it's supposed to fit in your pocket. So this is the joystick. This is where you press record. This is where you charge. I think this is where you put the SD card in. And this is the camera. Spin it around. And then I can take this off. Ah. Actually kind of sticky. Oh. Okay. And then I think if I turn around like this, power's on. English. Get to download the app first, so do that. I guess I'm just gonna use my phone because I'm currently using my dad's phone for it, but let me just scan this. Downloading. It brought me to the App Store. This is the app. I'm gonna download it now. There we go. Okay, I finally download the app. I'm gonna agree to the terms and conditions. Join. Yes. 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 Okay. Ooh, AI editor. stitching. Then I can connect the camera. Connecting. And then there's a verification code. We're gonna accept. Connecting. Agree again. Allow access. Press next. I have to make an account first. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I've actually decided to switch to my dad's phone instead, so I'll have to connect again. Connecting, then accept the code. Agree, allow access. I'll skip that. Get started. Enjoy live. And then update phone. To join for Bluetooth. The camera. Oh, turn off. It's just connecting now. Oh, yeah, SD card. Ooh, my face. Okay, I'm actually gonna grab an SD card. Bought one. Ta-da! So let's open this. There's the SD card. So tiny. Oh, we're gonna place it in here. Okay, so I had a bit of a technical issues with the SD card, but I actually put it in. I finally put it in here. Let's record this again because I messed up. This is what. Oh my god, I can move it around, back and forth. Object you want to follow. Ooh, you can see me. Oh my god. I don't know if this will work. Oh my god. Oh, flip that around. Hi. You can see you on camera. Ah. Ooh. That is so cool. Oh my god. And I can move it. Oh. So yeah, that's the camera. We can, how do I face detect on this? When enabled, camera automatically follow the face. Center. Oh, I think I can, yeah, I can move it like this. There's a joystick on it. Oh my god. Why is it not like... Oh. How do I focus on my face? I mean, I guess it automatically just follows me around, I guess. What's this? Default. Oh! Oh, that's the gallery. Ooh, it just had a spasm. Oh, there's hyperlapse, time lapse, slow motion, low light. Ooh, video, photo, Ooh, I can control the zoom. Woo. Yeah. Piano. Pano, not piano. Live stream. Oh, I can live stream on Facebook or YouTube, so that's cool. Actually, I'm just gonna go to video. Ooh, that mirrors the camera. So yeah. This is what I see. You can't see that. Wow, okay, that's actually really cool. What do these do? No files. Ah. These are the options for the thing. Ooh. I like seeing the camera like this. Ooh, the sound effects. Okay. There's so many settings. Shooting orientation. Ooh, the mic. Okay, let's connect the mic then. So I think the power on here. Press and hold making button. Yay, so I connected the microphone. Hello. Hi. Oh my god. Hi. So how do I start recording? Actually, I think I pressed here. There we go. Hi. So this is a microphone and I'm currently recording. Swipe right to adjust. Oh, the exposure. Okay. But yeah, this is the microphone. We can attach this to my clothes and then... Oh my god. This is really exciting. And it just follows me around and I can just, with the joystick, move it around like this. Yeah. Oh. Gimbal lock disabled. Oh, this is really... Okay. Continues following me around, but yeah. So then I stopped recording then. Waking up. Hello. I think I can disconnect it from here. Say disconnect. There we go. I disconnected. And then there's this is, ooh, the brightness. Keep that up. Selfie, I think that just changes my selfie. It just follows me. Oh god. Well, yeah. See what I'll do. I don't know all these settings because this is the 4K and stuff. Oh, that's how I change it 4K. Yeah, I think I can see the video in here. Oh yeah, I can. There we go. Hi. So this is a microphone and I'm currently recording. So I'm gonna unbox the rest of the things here. This is the magnetic view, the landscape view camera lens. Put this on the camera and then the lens view. Actually, I'm gonna turn this thing back on again. So you can see the round. Hi. I'm gonna connect it back again. Join. In order for this to connect, you need Bluetooth. So make sure your Bluetooth's on. Camera. So that's my face. Hi. Is it this way or is it this way? There. Ooh, did that change? Oh yeah, that definitely made it wider. See? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm gonna take that off and then put this down. And then you can put it in here. Magnet. There. So we don't lose that. And then the rest of the things here. This is the staff. Here. You can press this to release it. So you move that. Set the handle. You can take this off. Sticker again. Then we can attach it to here. This way. And then it's like an extra stand. And then remove it and you can hold that down. Pretty sure at least. Yeah, there. And then we have the battery. It's the battery. Remove this sticker. Then you can attach it again the same way. Opposite way. There. And then an extra hold on the battery. Battery handle. Oh! Oh, it's updating. Okay. So it's updating. Thing is trying to connect. And then while it's doing that, let's take the tripod. Take this off. Oh, update successful. Okay. Goodbye. Oh, reset. Oh. Oh, what the camera doing? Hi. So this is a tripod. So you can plop it down. It's a little circle thing. And then at the bottom. Sorry, you can't see. Then I think we just rotate it in. Yeah, just rotate. Sorry you can't see me. Updated. Perfect. Then stand it on the table. You can move this up. Hi. It's still. Yeah, it still follows me around. But yeah, and then the cable. I think I'm just gonna leave this, and then this is, where is it? Here's attach for your hand. I think you wrap it around. But I don't know, but yeah. So that's my video. So thanks for watching.